All right, guys, this is after work. My hardwood team came in and restored these floors. They did decide to go with the ebony color. This wasn't all natural at first, but then we sanded it, stained it, and recoated it to match their steps, as you can see here. But it is absolutely stunning. The client loves it. Again, this is a satin sheen, and they did decide to go with the ebony. You can see it actually looks so good. They absolutely love it. And with that said, every time we do a sanding, we do recommend to get the ducts clean. So today we are going to do the ducts, clean the vents and all the returns, so we got our brush piece here now. But yeah, guys, I'm just so excited for them. They just bought this house and it looks so good. So this is the ebony color. We did remove the refrigerator and the dishwasher when we put that back for them. They just got this island put in. But yeah, looks good. They love it. And we did not only the foyer and the kitchen, we also did this little dining room area too, as you can see. This is a really beautiful color. And we don't do too much ebony. Typically we do dark walnut, but this turned out great, as expected. But show you that we did this area, into that right there, the hallway, this right here, the closet, and then of course we did their bathroom as well. We didn't put the toilet back because they said they wanted to get a new toilet. But yeah, man, this absolutely looks phenomenal. Looks real good. All right, guys, let's just show you that after work that my team did. Again, they absolutely loved it. And yeah, looked good. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to be doing, again, the duct cleaning here. And then we're going to go on. We have another job at 8 areas of carpet cleaning after this. So we got a full day ahead of us. But I want to show you guys the after work. Again, the client absolutely loves it. And they said, wow, amazing. So, all right, guys, stay tuned.